Hello, today I'm going to explain to you how to add additional rows into our project Gantt chart template. Obviously the template already comes with several template rows which you could preview at the very bottom. So it represents all the steps, as you can see, starting from one, which is normally a project, either a task or the subtask, and the additional subtasks that follow it with sort of a VBS numbering, which is automated. So what you can do is you can take one of the rows from the template row and simply copy it by pressing Ctrl C on your keyboard, or alternatively you can also right click it and copy your row straight from here. Then move up and insert it anywhere where you need to do it, where you need to insert it. So let's say we're going to insert this new row right under 1 to 1 subtask. So we can right click again and click on the insert copied cells. Obviously this will move all the rest of the cells down and insert our new addition. So obviously VBS numbering is automated, as I mentioned before, and as you can see it has changed the numbering accordingly. Now the next step is to check our formulas that calculate the totals within this particular row. So let's click on the formula here because it's a range of sales. Yes, as you can see the formula has managed to expand and all rows are included now. Now sometimes you will need to include rows right at the very bottom. So let me show you that as well. So let's say we need to add additional task right under the last row. So we're going to do the same procedure once more and insert this right after the second project. So we can right click on it and insert copied cell. As you can see, we also inserted this row correctly and the numbering still follows accordingly. But now our range hasn't expanded because it wasn't included between the rows, that was within the range. So in that case you will need to go back to the project line and check every formula within that range. So what we need to do is to change that from 19 to 20, which will include our new addition. So same applies to the rest of the rows. Not all of them, but some of them. Here, for instance, we need to change that from 19 to 20 to include this additional row, and here as well, and here as well. Here also. So all cells that contain range of cells in calculation needs to be changed accordingly to include our newly added row. Here as well. Let's just check the rest of the cells to be sure that all of it is added. Yep. So now we've just managed to add row between the rows. So we added new task between the rows already, and we also added one additional task at the bottom of every other task and changed the formulas accordingly to include our new subtask within the calculations. This concludes our video. Thank you for listening and watching.